Hi guys, my name is Surajit and you're watching my YouTube channel ECONOMATRIX Day. Today we are going to study class 10 mathematics. So without wasting further time, let's start the class.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Today we are going to study class 10 mathematics of Nagaland board, and we are going to solve the chapter 14 statistics, and this is the fifth part of the full series. Okay, those who have not watched the previous parts, you can watch it. I have shared the link in the description below. Today we are going to solve question number 5. Okay, so let's see what is in the question. Okay, so you take out your notebook and your textbook and write down the question, and I will also write down the question and come back. Okay, now students, I have written the question number 5. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. Fruit vendors means the fruit sellers. Okay, they were selling the mangoes, and the mangoes were kept in packets. Okay, means boxes. Okay, so these boxes contained varying number of mangoes. Okay, so in one box, all the boxes didn't had same number of mangoes, different. Okay, maybe in some box there were 10 mangoes, some were 12 mangoes, like this way. Okay, for this example, maybe you can see here the number of boxes they have told this much. How many mangoes were there? Around 50 to 52. Okay, then let's see. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. Okay, means number of mangoes in one box is different than the number of mangoes in another box. Okay, the following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Okay, then the chart is been given: number of mangoes 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64. Then find the mean number of mangoes. So here is the question: find the mean number of mangoes. So you have to find out mean. Okay, kept in a packing box. And then which method of finding the mean did you choose? Okay, so all the previous part we were solving in direct method. So this sum also we will do in direct method, and the other methods we will do later on. Okay, so the last answer will be what? Which method did of finding, means which method you used? You will tell you have used direct method. So to solve this sum, so first what we used to do, we used to make two columns. Okay, like this way we used to make two columns, and this chart we will write down in these two columns. Now when we are going to write down in two columns, now see first nicely, this sum is little bit different than the other sums. Okay, how it is different? Now see the first row, number of mangoes 50 to 52, 53 to 55. Now if you look nicely, in this one 50 to 52, it is finishing at 52. Okay, and again it is starting here at 53. Okay, but the other sums which we did, it was how? It was like this way. Suppose 0 to 20, 20 to 40. Okay, so now this was lower, this was upper, and again this was lower, this was upper. So upper was 20, the next row lower is 20. So it is same here. Understanding or no? It is same, but here it is finishing at 52, but not starting with 52. Okay, so here is the difference. Understanding? Clear? Now students, see nicely the difference between the previous sum and this sum. Why there is difference? Okay. Now here the class interval lower 50, upper is 52. Again next class interval is 53. So 52 is the upper, 53 is the lower. Okay. So there is no link. Okay. But previous sum there was link was there. Okay. So when there is no link, it is known as inclusive class interval. Okay. Why? Because class interval is of two types, inclusive and exclusive. Okay. Inclusive class interval and exclusive. So it is inclusive and we will now change it into exclusive. So this sum, it is inclusive and we will change it into exclusive. Up to this much understood? Now students, how to change it? Okay. How to change the inclusive class interval into exclusive class interval? For that, one formula is there. What is the formula? Let me write the formula here. Very simple formula. From the lower we will subtract 0.5 and from the upper we will add 0.5. Okay. And once we do this one, then you will be this chart will be converted into exclusive. Clear or no? Up to this much. Now let us start converting this sum. Okay. I will write the chart in front of you only because we have to convert. So I am rubbing it. So let us convert this chart. Okay. So first I will make two columns. Okay. And I will write here number of mangoes. Okay. I will write here number of boxes. Okay. Now the first one is, see nicely, in the question the first one is 50-52. Okay. So the lower is which one? 50. So if I want to convert it, what I will do? I have to do rough. So let me do rough. 50 is the lower. So 50 means 50.0 and I will subtract 0.5. So 0.5. Now I cannot subtract, I have to borrow. I will cut 5, make it 4, it becomes 10. 10 again I will cut, it will become 9 and it will become 10. 1 will come here. Now I can subtract 10 minus 5, 5. Then point below point, then 9 and then 4. So what I get? 49.5. Now what is the upper one? Upper is 52. So 52.0 and I will add 0.5. So for adding no problem. So what you get? 52.5. Up to this much clear. Okay. Now next one, let us do the next row. Okay, for this one. So lower is what? 53.0 and I will subtract 0.5. Again like that way I will borrow, it will become 2, here 1. So now 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, 2 minus 0 is 2 and then 52. So what it will become? 52.5 dash. Then upper is what? 55. 55.0 and I will add 0.5. So 5 and then again 5. So what you get? 55.5. Clear up to this much? Now see nicely, only 2 rough works you have to do. Okay, and you will not do any more rough works. Now you will tell, sir, why we will not do rough work? Because after this you can do it orally also. Okay. So we finished 2 columns, now the third one. Now if you see here in the first one, first column, this 52, it became 52.5 and the next one is starting from 52.5 only. Okay. So it is finishing here, 55 is becoming 55.5. So it will start with that same only, 55.5. This one, and it is finishing at 58. So 58 will become 58.5. 58.5 because 52 became 52.5, 55 became 55.5. So, 58 will become 58.5. After that, the next one, okay, again 58.5 dash, it will become what? 61.5. Again the next one, 60, it will start from this only, 61.5 dash, and it will become 64.5. Okay. So, up to this much, I think you have nicely understood. Okay. Now we will write the values, okay, the number of boxes. Okay. So, what it is told, let us see, number of value means number of boxes. This was 25, this was 115, this is 135. Okay. So, you also go on writing. Now, let us solve the sum. So, you can see both the columns I have written. Now, the second column I told you it is frequency. So, what we will write here? We will write here Fi, and then we are going to add it. Okay. The second column we used to add. So, now we will add it 5, 10, 15, 20. So, 0, 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, again here 1 carry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we got 400. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have added frequency column. Now, the third column is what? As we are doing in the direct method. So, third column will be xi, that is mid value. So, how to find out mid value? Again we have to do rough. Those who can do orally, very good. Those who cannot will do rough. So, let us write first one lower. Lower is what? 49.5. Then plus upper is what? 52.5 divided by 2. Okay. And I think by now you know the formula. What is the formula? Xi is equal to lower plus upper divided by 2. Now, this 2 I will add. So, what it will come? 49.5 and 52.5. So, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 9, 10, 12, 1 carry, 4, 5, 10. So, what you get? 102. So, we will write 102 by 2. So, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So, you are getting 51. So, we will write here 51. Clear? Then I told you another rough work we have to do. So, the second one will be what? 52.5 plus 55.5 divided by 2. So, we will add it 52.5 and here 55.5. When we add 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 5 or 5, 10. And point below will be always point below. Okay. Point will be below, this point below will be this point below will be this point. Okay. So, 108.0, no need. Okay. Now, I will cut 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So, what I get? 54. So, I will write here 54. Then I told you no need to do any more rough work. We do not need any rough work now. Now, we will find out the difference. Okay. So, the difference of these two is what? Which is big? 54 minus 51. So, 54 minus 51 is what? 3. So, 3 difference. Okay. So, how we will do? See 51 plus 3, because here 3 coming, the difference. So, 51 plus 3, 54. Again 54 plus 3, 57. Again 57 plus 3, 60. Again 60 plus 3, 63. So, I think up to this much it is clear. Okay. Now the last column. Last column will be what? Last column will be Fi into Xi. Okay. So, we will multiply the frequency column and the mid value column. So, 15 and 51, this one, these all we will multiply. So, let us multiply in the rough big multiplication. So, first one is 15 into 51. So 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, cross 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 75. And now we will add 5, 1 plus 5, 6, and then 7, if I maintain 5, then 6, and then 7. I am maintaining ones, tens, 100, the pro forma, okay, so that it will be easy for me or for you also to add it at last, okay. Now next one, 110 into 54, 110 into 54. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, cross 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, again 5 ones are 5, so 0, 4, 9, 5. So what you get? I am writing, see, 0, then 4, then 9, and then 5, okay. Now next one, 135 57. So 135 into 57, clear. Now 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 3s are 21, 24, 2 carry, 7 1s are 7, 8, 9. Next 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5, 6. So what I get? 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 1, and 6 plus 1, 7. So I will write 5, 9, 6, 7. Okay. Understood up to this much? Next is 115 multiplied by 60. So 0 will multiply, 0, 0, 0, cross, then 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9, again 6 1s are 6. So 0, 0, 9, 6. So 6 9 0 0. So we will write 6 9 0 0. Clear? Then the last one, 25 are 63. So let us do 25 into 63. So 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 7, okay. Then cross, 6 5s are 30, 3, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So 150. Now we will add it, 5, 7, again 5, again 1, 1, 5, 7, 5. Clear? So multiplication is done, okay. I think up to this much you have understood. Now we will add it. So we will write here summation fi xi. Now 5 plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15. So 1 carry. 1 plus 6, how much? 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. 2 carry. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 9, 33. 33 plus 5, 38. So 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Plus 1, 22. So you got 22875. Okay. If you like my channel, then please give a like, share it with your friends and subscribe it. And don't forget to press the all notification bell so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Now let us write the formula, okay, direct method. So mean x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi, and summation fi xi is what? 22,875, and summation fi is how much? 400. Okay. Now when we will divide this one, we will get the answer. So let us divide it. Let me divide here, okay, or little bit I will rub, and we will write here 400 22875. So, will it go with 2? No, it is small. 2 is small. Now, again we will take 2 digits 22, then also it is small. Then 3 digits 228, that is also small. Now, 4 digits we will take. Okay. Now, it is big. So, you can see here 2000, okay, 287. So, it will go with what? It will go with 5. Okay. So, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20. So, what you get if you subtract 8782. Clear? Now, this 5 will come down. Okay. So, 2875. Now, it will go with what? It will go with 7. Okay. So, 0, 0, 7 fours are 28. Clear? Now, we will subtract 5, 7 and nothing else. Okay. Now, I will put point because no more number. Okay. Now, I will write 0. So, it becomes 750. So, it will go with 1. So, it is 400, and if you subtract, it will be 350. Now, it will go with what? When we put here 1 0. So, it will go with 7. You can see here it will go with 8. Clear or no? Why? Because here 35, 8 fours are 32. So, now 0, 0 and this one is 32. 0, 0 and here 3. Clear? So, you can write this one, okay, or you can do one more step. Okay. So, it is 300, it is 300, again one more 0. So, now it will go with what? 7s, 2800, and then again if you subtract, okay, then what will happen? 200 will come, another 0 will come, and then 400, how much are? 5s. Okay. So, what you get? 2000, and the remainder is no, there is no more remainder. Okay. Now, it is not mandatory that you have to find out the division, you have to do after point all the 4 decimal numbers. Okay. You can do after point 1 decimal number also, 2 also, 3, your wish. Okay. Now, I will write this answer 57.1875. Clear? After this, I will take, suppose I will not represent the answer like this way. I will take after decimal only 2 decimal numbers. Okay. So, 57.19, and they have told number of mangoes. So, we will write here mangoes. Clear? And this is the answer. Clear? Now, you will be thinking, sir, here 8 is written, why you made it into 9? See, after 8, you see this number 7. If I want to take after decimal 2 numbers, then you have to see the third number. Third number, if it is 5 or more than 5, then this second number will become what? 1, it will increase. Okay. So, that is why this 8 has become 9. Okay. And we represent it as approximately. Okay. I think up to this much clear, and this sum you have understood very nicely. Okay. So, those who have not watched my previous videos, you can watch it. I have shared the link below as well as in the I button. Okay. So, thank you for watching my video. Keep smiling. Bye bye.